Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Oats Apple Cinnamon Porridge recipe for babies and toddlers. Oats Apple Cinnamon Porridge recipe for babies is a delicious and healthy recipe. It is full of nutrition and is also easy to digest by the little ones. Let's go through the step-by-step procedure of making this healthy and yummy porridge for babies. Cooking time. Preparation time 2 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Total time 12 minutes. Cooking method. Gas top. Suitable for babies above 9 months of age. Ingredients: rolled oats, 1 cup, apple, chopped and peeled, ghee, half a teaspoon, cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon, water, 3/4 cup, almond powder, 1/4 teaspoon, optional. Instructions: wash the apple thoroughly, cut it into bite-sized pieces, removing all seeds. Soak oats in water and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so that the flakes soften. Put the oatmeal in a pan along with water and cook it on a medium flame for 5 minutes till it gets soft. After porridge looks thickened, add ghee. Add the apple pieces to the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the cinnamon powder and almond powder and cook for another 30 seconds. Switch off the gas and let the porridge cool down. If you are giving it to a child who is less than 1 year or who likes softer texture, blend it for 60 seconds. Recipe tips: you could soak oats granules overnight and then let them sprout before making this porridge. This brings out all the nutritional powers and is easier to digest too. You can store this mix in airtight containers in the fridge for future use. For younger babies, grind the oat flakes before boiling them. If you are making it for a baby, then puree the apple before adding it to the pan. For older kids, you can add the cut pieces. Make sure the oats are cooked well. Though the sweetness of apples is good enough for younger babies, you could add maple syrup or honey for kids above 1 year of age. You could add milk to this recipe as well, but consult your pediatrician about giving milk to your baby, especially if they are below 1 year of age. Hope you found this guide on making Oats Apple Cinnamon Porridge helpful and easy. Try this recipe. However, consult your pediatrician before introducing any new food to your baby.